If you're trying to ship out your clothing brand orders, then you definitely need to watch this video. I'm about to show you a step-by-step exactly how I ship out my brand's orders. So let's get into it. So first things first, I always make sure this is plugged in, ready to go. Then I head over to Shippo, that way I can print out my shipping labels, and then I go to Shopify, that way I can print out my packing slip. So usually whenever those are printing, I go over and grab my poly mailers, that way I can be time efficient. I try to save as much time in my day as possible. So yeah, anything that you can do while something else is working for you or at the same time, it's definitely beneficial. I highly recommend trying to utilize that for any single person out there. But yeah, for this video, I'm literally just gonna pack one order and show you exactly how it's done, step by step. So the next process is going to be picking the item. So for this specific order, is gonna be the drive-in t-shirt in a size medium. So if you watched the other video, if not, you should definitely go check it out. But you're gonna go all the way on the shirt side, go down, medium drive-in t-shirt, grab that out of there, and it's actually the last one. So we are finally sold out of these. I'm gonna leave that there for the moment, and I'm about to grab a couple more things that we need. So I always have a thank you card on top of the packing slip, as well as I put a sticker on there. So this QR code will literally take you to all of our links. But yeah, so to keep everything efficient as possible, I put it here, fold this over. Yeah, this is not as easy as one hand, hold on. All right, so boom, slide this in. Make it as nice and airtight as possible, because there's no reason to have air. You want to keep the package as sealed and tight as you possibly can. And then boom, we throw on the shipping label, and that is exactly how I pack an order. So if you have any questions, if you have any recommendations on how you would pack an order for your clothing brand, or if you have just any questions on packing an order, any type of clothing brand questions in general, leave a like, comment down below. Let me know, because I am down to make more videos to help y'all out. If you have any questions at all, please let me know, because I am here to help y'all. But that's gonna be it. I'll see you on the next.